Good morning guys. Morning na pala guys. Practice wielding guys. Nagka-sunburn guys. Sunburn.
Huwag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa.
Ano pala mag-wielding guys. May protection. Walang kalsonis guys. Pungko-pungko nag-wielding. Di. Sunburn 3 days na ni guys. 3 days karon. Ano guys, pag wielding galing mo guys, mag-practice dapat naka complete all gear guys. Sunburn akong kawan guys. Yun lang, bye bye.